from the district of Brahmanbaria to the Simna of Bijoynagar Upazila. A 9.25 kilometer long road named Sheikh Hasina Road has been constructed. This road reduces the travel distance by approximately 35 kilometers, significantly easing the travel woes of Bijoynagar Upazila residents. The road has already been opened for a vehicular movement. Besides reducing the distance to the city, this road will also contribute to the district's education, agriculture, and economy. Additionally, this road, constructed through rivers and wetlands, has become a favorite destination for travelers. Many people are flocking daily to enjoy the scenic beauty of the canals, rivers, and haors. This newly built, picturesque road has already become one of the district's main attractions. Before this road was constructed, residents of Bijoynagar had to travel through Sarail or Akora Upazila, which took 1.5 to 2 hours. The worst affected areas due to poor communication were the unions of Patan, Singarbal, Champanagar, Vishnupa, and Pahapa. During the rainy season, their only means to cross the haor and reach the district town was by boat, while in the dry season, they had to walk. In September 2016, the construction of this approximately 9.25 kilometer long road from Shimrail Kandiin, Brahmanbaria town to Simna of Patan Union in Bijoynagar began. Despite delays due to land acquisition and various complications, the construction is now nearly complete. The road's construction cost approximately 136 crore taka. However, since the construction is not yet fully completed, the residents of these areas continue to face difficulties. Additionally, the fare for CNG auto rickshaws or engine-driven rickshaws has doubled, with people having to pay 100 to 120 taka per person from Brahmanbaria to Bijoynagar for a 9.25 kilometer journey, which locals consider too high. Currently, a few kilometers of Sheikh Hasina Road are in poor condition, causing daily inconveniences and accidents for school and college students. The local residents demand the swift completion of the road's construction. The local government engineering department, LGED, has reported that the construction of two bridges 315 meters on the Titas River and 308 meters on the Loiska Canal and approximately 1,200 meters of connecting roads is fully completed. Blocks have been placed along the road for protection. This road, constructed through the efforts of Housing and Public Works Minister Obaidul Muqtadir Chowdhury MP, will bring significant changes in every aspect. The contracting firm, Messrs. Mustafa Kamal, focused on the durability and quality of the work rather than business interests. Despite being very important for the area's people, an on-site visit reveals that the road's construction is still not fully complete. Local residents also noted that due to the absence of nearby colleges, girls' education was limited to schools. Boys could go to the city for a higher education, but girls were not allowed due to safety concerns over the long distance. With the new road, girls can now also go to the city for education. According to the Agriculture Department, Bijoynagar Upazila produces seasonal fruits like mangoes, lychees, malta, and jackfruits worth about 100 crore taka annually. However, due to poor transportation, farmers couldn't bring these fruits to the district town on time, resulting in financial losses. Now, farmers can quickly transport their produce to the city using Sheikh Hasina Road. The Brahmanbaria LGED has stated that the road is now open for vehicular traffic. The carpeting of the approach roads of the two bridges is complete. The carpeting of the first 5.46 kilometers of the road is ongoing. A budget has been requested for the remaining 4 kilometers of development. Additionally, some old bridges and culverts on the road need repairs and reconstruction, for which a budget allocation has also been requested.